Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of Eat Prime. I am Daydren. Dancehall COVID-19 donations increase. In response to the coronavirus crisis, a growing number of artists have stepped up their philanthropic efforts to assist vulnerable groups in society. As is the case with Vybz Kartel's UTG Foundation, which recently donated care packages to over 200 low-income families across Kingston and St. Andrew. The donations, which consisted of perishable food items and protective masks, which were handed out by UTG board members Tanisha Johnson, popularly known as Shorty, and Kartel's three sons, were presented to the government's Poor Relief Department. Meanwhile, the Poor People Governor himself, Bounty Killer, recently donated care packages stocked with food items to residents in his hometown community of Seaview Gardens, courtesy of his Bounty Foundation. Bounty Killer is no stranger to philanthropic efforts, which include significant donations to the Kingston Public Hospital. Now, in news overseas, Megan Thee Stallion and Beyonce team up for the Savage remix. Pop icon Beyonce has jumped on the remix of rapper Megan Thee Stallion's viral hit Savage. A song by fellow Houston native Megan Thee Stallion has become a favorite on social media with a TikTok dance challenge to go along with its classy, bougie, ratchet lyrics. Proceeds of the Savage remix single will go to Bread of Life, a disaster relief organization working to provide meals to Houston families during the COVID-19 pandemic. That's it for this evening's edition of Eat Prime. I am Daydren. Thank you for watching.